Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you for at least taking the time out your day to watch the Hold My Beer channel. I'm your host, Worldwide Chrome. Today, we're gonna give you a different variant on wings, all right? Y'all probably had them, seen them, heard about them or whatever, but today, we're gonna do something a little different. Normally, you have them fried, but today, we're gonna do smoked lemon pepper wings, all right? On today's episode. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, watch to the end. This is where we're going. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first thing we're gonna do, let me back up a little bit, guys. You can go to the grocery store and get your wingettes and your drumettes already cut up, but why pay that cost, right? Food is very expensive. It's costing a lot nowadays. Just get you some whole wings, and all you have to do is cut on the joints. That's all I did, okay? So I separated my wingettes from my drumettes, okay? And the tips, I cut them off. And I'm actually gonna y'all don't know who Trappy is. Some of y'all know who Trappy is if you've been watching my channel for a while. We'll let him have those. But this is what we're about, okay? The crumbs. So we have them separated. What we're gonna do is start seasoning them up before they go in the smoker. Take a little bit of black pepper. And I'm gonna get it all over the countertop. You know, trust me, I'm kind of heavy-handed. That's what they say. That's what they say about your boy. But I'm my son's father. I'm my father's son. I like to taste my food. Come back with a little bit of seasoned salt. Ooh, that pepper. I may have to sneeze, but I'm gonna hold it. Some seasoned salt. Some onion powder. And again, I'm not a Michelin trained chef or anything. You know, I'm a guy that just started liking to do this and ran with it, all right? And again, if you've been watching the channel, y'all know this is my favorite seasoning right here, all right? Montreal steak seasoning. Yes, it will taste good on your wings. Trust me, guys. And then after we do this, we're going to simply flip them over and do the same on the reverse, on the bottom side of our wings, okay? So I'll do that. I don't want to bore y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, guys. So now we have our wingettes and drumettes seasoned, okay? Seasoned really good. We're gonna take these, go put them on the smoker, because it takes a bit, then we're gonna come back inside and we're gonna make a bomb. Y'all know I like my bombs, if you've been watching the videos, okay, that nuclear lemon pepper sauce for these. Let's go, follow. We got everything. Oh, we up the temp. We smoking. We are smoking. So guys, I don't know if you can see this. We're probably at 255, 260-ish thereabout, okay? Perfect for grilling / smoking. We're gonna go indirect, all right? You lost in the smoke, okay? We're gonna go top shelf. Again, if you are a barbecue master, grill master, whatever, this is not for you. Okay, again, I do it for my fan base. I do it for you guys who want to see something different. Anyway, top shelf. Ooh. We're gonna put our drumettes closer to our fire because they're denser. Line them up, guys. Just line them up. At attention. We'll come down here now. Take our wingettes, they go further away from our heat source. Because on a wing, you actually have two cuts of, or types of meat. You have a dark meat, you actually have a white meat, believe it or not. Also, look how I put my wings on the skin side, down. And these, again, if you've been watching the channel, if not, please like and comment and subscribe. This is how you do it. And you know that I like quick, easy meals. I try to give my wife tasty meal, my family tasty meals, but also try to give my wife a break from, her duty sometime, guys. Nothing wrong with that. Teamwork make the dream work. So boom, they're looking good. So while they're doing their thing, we'll come back out maybe here in the next 12, 14 minutes. We'll flip them over, all right? But while we're waiting for them to get to the flip side or the other side, skin side down, we're gonna go make this bomb wet lemon pepper sauce. Let's go. So now we are, while the drumettes and wingettes are on the smoker, we're double tasking, guys. We're gonna make our wet sauce lemon pepper for them. So I have in here, actually one is margarine, one is butter. Okay, sorry I ran out of butter, but it is what it is. We're gonna put a splash of Italian dressing, the creamy style. You won't taste it really, it'll just help it out. Gonna put a little bit of hot sauce, use your favorite hot sauce, just a little bit. And instead of using water, all right, I hate to give y'all all my secrets, but I love y'all, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken broth in there. Everything in moderation, never too much. I'm gonna put it on maybe somewhat of a medium. Let it melt down. And then once the wings and drumettes come off, we're gonna show you how you finish crisping up your chicken and dusting them with your lemon pepper. So these are the best lemon pepper wings you've had in your life. Better than Wingstop, better than anyone. And tell them you got it from HMB, the Hold My Beer channel, right? Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, let me know. Let's go.
This is the sauce that we made. Another thing I put in is some minced garlic. We like our garlic over here. We love our garlic. So this is just the butter mixture with the hot sauce, and that's what it looks like. And then I just put some mashed potatoes and some green beans, something quick. It's a school night, so we want to make sure that we have everything together.
All right, guys. So we finished smoking off the wings, and these, they're pretty. So now we're gonna take them and put them in a bowl. Hopefully y'all didn't forget that we have our sauce. So we're gonna put them in a bowl. Oh. Put them in your bowl. Right there. We're going to take our sauce. Okay? You don't have too much dip on your chip now. Too much dip on your chip, man. Oh, why not? Put that on.
It smells like garlic.
Smells good. Come on. Toss them up a little bit. And again, this meal, believe it or not, relatively speaking, only took us 45 minutes. So now, just sauce them, take them back off. Take them back off. Take them back off. Again, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of you. I actually hit my goal. I actually exceeded my goal of 100 subscribers. So now, I'm on the way to 250. You know, I start off small and then get big. Take them out. Ooh. Even right now, most people will eat them right now. I know somebody, I'm not gonna say about one, so.
Maybe knock your head loose.
Mm-hmm. 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 Make it 2.0.
You got that from Mr. James.
Hmm?
Got that from Mr. James.
Yeah, Mr. James is what we got, right? Mm-hmm. All right. So, and then after we get these out, you're gonna dust them. Dust them lightly. With some lemon pepper. Ooh. Flip them over. Here, I'm gonna just try one. You tell me what you think. Grab it.
Grab it.
Mm-hmm. Silence is good, guys.
I liked it.
Hmm?
I like it.
You like it? So, smoked lemon pepper wings, wet sauce. Y'all seen the whole process? You know, like, comment, subscribe. And we will see y'all on the next one. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.